Good evening, Nikki ma'am, and hello, Shekhar. First of all, I would like to thank you for this 5 days of workshop that we had as parents. I had a lot of fun doing it, and precisely, I'd like to mention that my son had a lot of fun doing it with me. You see, as parents, when we are teaching them, we don't have that much of time to sit and engage in a fun activity with them while they are doing the studies. But this has been a lot of fun for him. I'd specifically like to mention the storytelling activity that we did. Yes, so there were two stories, and the day we did that, I could only shoot one of the stories because I just had that much of time. So after that, after we shot that, my son just listened to the story once and then immediately asked him the questions and he could answer. So this was fun, and ever since he has been following up with me that when are you going to teach me the second story, and when are we going to again shoot this. So it's been a lot of fun for him as well. I've enjoyed this process of video making and sharing these videos with you every single day. um, I would like to, tell you that your content is very attractive and very well, scaled. So each level, as you were showing the books, I was just going through, and I felt that it's something that children will grasp very easily. Firstly, because they're very compact, nicely done, and very colorful. Color is something that attracts children very much. So, precisely why my son was very attracted to the book, because it had a lot of colorful pictures, and the words which were there were very small set of words, so he could easily read them also while we were checking through the slides. So it's been a great journey. It's been a great exercise that I had for the past 5 days, and I wish you both a lot of success in your future endeavors, and I hope to see myself a part of your team, or in some way being associated with you in the future. So thank you so much for this.